XOXO Aaron.
So we're here. Tatago kami rito. To surprise Embong. So, yun. Go, lapit na nga yan. Mga balikbayan.
Kita ate.
Say hi to my vlog, Ara.
Ay, mag-vlog takeover ako. Wag pala ngayon, hindi ako nakaalis. Ganun naman, same lang
Yan
din.
sila. Is that for me? Oh my gosh!
Yung ganyang basket na wala naman.
Uy, dami tayo uwi ni Sam. Thank you.
Ang ano ko yan? Ang oil nilang face ko. Ayun, nakakapano. Okay, ulit. Ay, ma? Hindi. Yung lotion. Kasi dun sa ano, papa.
Ba't and body mo?
Ito, dinala mo pa talaga.
Si dati mo sa same way. Ano ba nagagawin ko dito sa same way?
Gamit ko rin yan. That's mine.
Sport. From Costco.
Sa akin?
Wow! Gayan!
Mama Melo ah. Parang gusto rin ni Mama Melo.
Parang napansin ko nga eh. Wala pa akong ganyan eh. Tapos si Miss Carmelita.
So they are unpacking.
Naman kayong dalawa. Miss namin mo sila about it. School.
Sa school mo.
No school.
Yan yung, ano, what's that? Pag-ibig.
Ito na yung school ko. Sa September.
Dito William tatay.
Dito na niya. Bilhin niya.
Dito Italy. Tapos kayo magbubukas? Yes.
Say mo yes.
Makakatok ko yun.
Oo.
Bevin! Yun na, ready. Magbiyan kita kahit ng ingay.
Oo, say mo.
Watermelon. May pagkain.
Go, Ate Sam. 1, 2, 3, go.
Bakit? Ano ba yan? Dito kayo. Ito yung dalawa? Oo. Iniisip ko nga sino yung dalawang yan. Hindi na ano mo. Napaano siya?
Go na!
Kinausap bigla rep eh, no?
Isan yan. Si Tito ay napaka.
Hugas na!
Sign.
Ganun na lang sabi.
Yan o. Ito lang maghuhugas sila sa city. Okay, first step. Oh, si ate siya pala lagi naghuhugas.
Ito naman sila.
Sabi si Mama yun.
Yung mga pinagsagitan na pinagbaunan nyo, sila buhugas.
The girls are slaying! Patay ko, oh bugs.
Vlog ba yan? Vlog takeover.
Pangabli ko na.
Alam,
Okay, so I'm doing my makeup right now. I actually don't have an accent.
Ay, lagot ka.
Kaartan
Di mo
ko lang.
kinaya.
Joke.
faking her accent.
I'm faking my accent. So I'm gonna do my eyeliner. As you can see, it's not even yet. So
Tama ka na. Yun si Ara, nakain na.
vlog takeover. What? Vlog takeover by yours truly. I left my earrings, but I got my piercings.
True. At
rhymes. At least. May piercing naman
Bars.
ako. Bars. Tapos fit check from top from Uniqlo. Tapos shorts from, I don't know where the short is from. It's from her. She gave it to me. And I got my shoes. Oh, Lululemon bag. And I got my shoes or my sandals from Tita Wing. But I'm not gonna show that because,
it's Iwi.
yeah.
Iwi. So we're going to festival today. And we're going home tomorrow.
We're going home next week.
So we're already here sa Serenity.
We got wait, I got the Tahoe milk tea and she got the taro milk tea. And then we got the
Cookies and cream milk.
yeah.
Miss na miss niyo yung Belgian waffle.
Ano to? Pinaka-favorite kong snack.
Okay. Your Instagram mo.
Your ano? That's my favorite childhood snack. From SM.
So, what can you say?
Everybody look at my piercing.
What can you say?
I'm sorry. It's good. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
Ito ate sa amin gusto.
10 out of 10.
What?
Plato or cup? And what do you want? Ano, spoon, fork.
Sabi ko lang, kahit ako, kailangan ko magkasya sa gown.
Sway. Pa doon. Ito,
Feeling ko. Ito lang kami.
Salamat kayo. Madami na natin sa tinda ko doon sa price.
Ubus na yung
Magluluto tayo.
Okay ka na? Pinawalang yan kay Tita Baro. Tutumbong ka na sa mami mo.
Lemonade. Buko. May sagar kong yelo. O, diretso na swimming na sa gabi. Mardo!
Kayo huwag ka na Mardo.
Wala tayong sandok ng ice. Ako.
Sinansit pa para.
Uy, ate ba yung anak ko?
Cholo cholo.
Ay!
Kumakasigaw naman si Mariko. Kami ate, hi!
Tayo.
Ate, si kami!
Tayo. Sabayin. Meron na. Chicken skin. Gusto mo ba? Dito, you're taller than me. Magaling mo.
Ngao.
1, 2, 3, smile!
Oh, galing ni average.
More one.
So now, we're here sa Pure Gold. Namimili na sila ng mga iuwi nila.
Vlog takeover. Oh my God. Wait lang, hindi ako sanay mag-vlog. Cookies and cream po.
Select ice cream to.
Selecta ice cream. Hold on.
Meron pa yan.
Oh, may pa ice cream. Ate, gusto mo cookies and cream, di ba?
Food first before vlogging. For everything. Oh my God, I look ugly without my makeup on. Hindi.
Ano ang kinakain niyo dati?
So we're buying food.
We're buying food. We're going to get crisscross, which we don't have
We don't have anything good.
in Canada.
Something that you don't have eh.
All of this, honestly. I don't know what to get. This is overwhelming. Overwhelming. Kahay. Vlog takeover. This is my vlog now.
Normally,
I'm not used to vlogging because I'm really shy. And I don't like my hair. I did my hair in such a hurry and I didn't put makeup on because we came from La Union and I'm vlogging, Tita Wei.
Ay, mahupapa.
Oh my god, a lot happened. Went to La Union, and then I didn't put makeup on because I was gonna sleep in the car. So I was like, there's no use putting makeup on. You're looking pretty. But I forgot people dress up here. Huh?
Doon namin nilagay.
Okay. Dun nilagay ni Auntie Mel. Yeah, I'm not used to that too. A lot. Nah, it's called Samara Kulit. It's called
Samara.
It's called XOXO Ara now. It's my vlog.
I will color her hair like this.
I want that hair color. It's so sad. They took my rook and my conch piercing, and now it's like, ugh, it's ugly. They took my piercing away because I didn't take good
Kasi
care of it.
isang blood takeover mo, shinow mo pa yung piercing. Kasi ngayon wala.
Oo. Sorry, Nay. Sorry, Nay. Ito po nakita.
Oo.
Wala akong kinuha doon kasi
Wait, tumingin ka na muna. Tingin na.
wala akong...
Ara will check food muna. She will take over for our family outing.
I wanna do it now.
Alice has a lot of food. I got my new hair color. Ito yun na siya ng first time makita sa vlog. Pero for sure nakapag-upload na ako before ko i-upload to. Oh, so paano ko kukuha ngayon ng mga
Ano, Ara? Ano kami mo? Kulang? Ano pa?
Para